gentlemen, yes, you won. Yeah, jackpot.
Divorce. What's the reason? It's not serving tea like English woman do. I thought you're still sleeping. Kumakain na pala. Baon niya kasi yan, oh. Nilagay niya yun din sa bedroom niya. Kinuha niya pala kasi na-transfer siya dito. Nakain na siya ng saging. Funny. Ah, that's gonna be your hairstyle today. Show me at the back. Show me at the back. That's good. That's good. You brush your teeth already? That's good. It's okay. You can always do that. Sun shining day. Ito ba? Pinik up ko doon. Kaya ano pa to, dapat pick upin pa to noong Friday. So ito rin na talaga yung last day ko mamaya 1 p.m. Kasi diba, Saturday, saan ba kami noong Saturday? Busy Saturday, tapos kahapon nasa work ako. Binili ko to sa Vinted ng, ano ba 6 pounds yata bili ko nito. Yan yung original price na ay 30. Pinili ko siya kasi kailangan namin, tsaka ano na siya, cotton namin. Cotton na ba? King size. Mas brand new pa talaga siya mga katsikaw. Tingnan nyo naman. Nabili ko lang siya ng 6 pounds na lang. See, we need this. Mas may kasama na pala siyang 2 pillowcase at saka isang duvet cover. Minsan na lang talaga ako magbili ng ano. Kahit nga magbili ako, naka-sale. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako last nagbili ng bagong duvet cover. Mga luma na talaga. Mga ano na ba. Matagal na nga. Yung sa amin nga. Yung kulay green na ginagamit din namin. Nakikita nyo minsan na kulay green. Ano pa yan? Siguro 2017. Ano? Oh, 2017 ba? Basta matagal na mga kachika. No, not 2017. 2018 nata yun or 2019. Matagal na yung kulay green na gamit-gamit namin. Kaya minsan nga lang ako nagbili. Tapos nagbili ako ng isang basis sa Teki Max. Naka-sale. Ang ganda. Maganda siya. Perfect pang ano ba. Ngayong ano na yung weather. Labahan ko muna to. Ito pala yung ano. Tapos ito na. Okay na. Ayusin ko muna. I-ano ko muna. Everything okay muna yung aking. Doon ba sa Vinted ba? Nice weather. Ito din yung sinasabi ko sa inyo minsan ba mga katsika na may nagbahay-bahay na may migay na mga flyers, ganun, ganito. I think para ano to, yung gusto mong magpagawa ng mga ganito. Ganyan siya. Ayan yan. Kaya nung time na, yung sinabi ko sa inyo na may nagpunta dito, yun talaga yung nakakapagtaka.
May I say?
No, that one.
Quavers.
Oh, select the product. I want popcorn.
Press 6 and 6.
Please present your card. Your mobile authorizing.
Okay, who's gonna be the winner?
Oh, it's coming. Yes, you won. Yeah, jackpot.
Okay. You okay?
Hey.
Yeah. If you're in the shed, it's Alina said it's sunny, but it's cold. If you're in the shed and then you shade, if you're in a shade, then
It's cold. Now I'm hot. Now I'm cold. Now
okay. Belt, please. Belt. Belt.
Can you help me?
Okay, do it. Can you see how much there? Oh, it's not much.
You look very nice today. You look lovely today. Well, you always look lovely.
How about me?
And you look lovely.
I'm not Lisa.
Annalisa looks lovely. But I don't. I don't look lovely. Right.
You look handsome.
No, I'm not. Listen, you sure there's nothing we need then? Huh?
No, I don't know. I cannot think.
Bagel. I want bagel.
No, we got
There you go.
stuff.
I got other stuff.
We got a lot of
You got
stuff.
pancakes. You got pancakes made.
We had to
Yeah. I get it tomorrow. I get it
check
tomorrow.
first what we need.
Yeah.
I'm so tired now.
Anyway, you're right. Let's get going. Miss.
No, it's okay. It's not gonna go.
Well.
What time is it? Oh, it's only... Did you change your... That one already?
No.
No,
Time is it say?
so it's 5 o'clock then. It
What
says
time?
4 o'clock, 4:03.
5. Yeah.
So 5 o'clock. Oh.
Yeah. Still early.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no, not okay. Okay. Ang ganda pala pag nandito yung na
You know, think about it. You know, if there's no fuel, then you know it's going to affect a lot of jobs, no?
Do you still buses?
Yeah, no. There's not a bus to every location these people go.
Oh yeah, especially the remote
Huh?
area, you know, like it's true. That's why it's a big problem in the Philippines now, going to work.
Yeah, I imagine.
Spend hours to get into work and hours going back home.
And for a small salary too. Huh? No. Good. That's a bit of a worry. That's me. Alright. These delivery people going to be affected. Amazon.
Gawa natin ng tea. Yung sabi niya, where's my tea? Daw, sabi ko, busy pa ako. Dapat yung ginagawa. Sabi niya, if English woman daw, si daw ready na. May biscuit na sa table.
Say a word.
Ha?
I didn't say a word.
Hindi sabi ko, sige, dik ano kita, bago mo pa ako, ano. Nagawa mo pa ng tea. Bago mo po ako i-divorce.
Yeah.
Divorce. What's the reason? It's not serving tea like English woman do.
Yeah.
Okay then.
You got a time? What's it in here?
No, I'll do it later when
That's on there.
Yeah, I know. It's off now. I keep it in there to keep it. I'm gonna do the soup later when the salmon is ready.
Oh. No more chocolate biscuits, no?
No.
We had them. No chocolate at all? You know any horrible things? Like,
No, I don't have mine as well. Nothing
yeah.
for you.
Well, anything in the basket?
Not here, chocolate. I got a chocolate.
What's that? Oh no, I don't want that.
You got so much here. That's why I said we're not going to buy the para sa Easter.
Well, you have to buy one egg, big egg.
Yeah, just one egg. This one. This one. Meron siyang malalaki dalawang basket.
Yeah. Finally, cup of tea.
Tea, before you...
I've never had it before. We started like that.
And then after the tea, they will be hungry.
What?
They'll be hungry.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah.
for dinner. For the...
So what have I got? You got sauce for me? So I need rice now. Huh?
Yeah. Nagsawag mo tapos soup yung mga bata. Kasi yung soup talaga nila after school talaga. Every after school in the afternoon, soup talaga yan. Tapos iba pa yun yung dinner. Kaso kaya hindi man sila nakapag-soup kanina dahil dumiretso kami sa taekwondo ni... And then, I just cook that slide. May Alina. Ano din pala? 5:38 na. Patay na ako mga kachika. Wala akong... Hindi ko lang kung may lunch ako. Nag-lunch ba ako kanina? Nagsaing pala ako mamaya kasi magpo-fried rice ako bukas. Ibaan ko sa work. Pero may adobo ako dito. Adobo na yung ni-roast namin noong Sunday. Roast dinner na pork. Ang sarap. Paksiw ba? Lechon paksiw na siya. Roast paksiw. Ganda mga kuchika.
Miss Banana here?
Say good night to Alina.
Can I do now?
Say I love you.
Yeah, I eat the banana quick. Okay. I need to eat close up. You know, Miss Banana and here. Yeah, I'm here too.
Say good night na, Tita
Good
Glenda.
night. I'm here. Miss Banana, I'm eating a banana in your phone.
Tutulog na ako mga kachika, 9 o'clock. Bakit may natulis sa shirt ko? Mag-ano na lang ako, skincare, tapos mag-toothbrush. Tanggalin ko muna yung lipstick ko kay yung lipstick na tumatanggal ano ba? Kailangan may pangtanggal siya na ganito, makeup remover. Gilamos na ako kanina eh. Kumain na ako, ilang beses na ako kumain, 2 beses na. Simula nag-lipstick ako. Wala na. Skincare lang ako. Si Mr. alis pa daw. Kasi yun nga, nagkaubusan na daw yung gasolina dito sa amin banda mga katsika. Di ko lang din alam sa ibang part ng England. Pero dito sa amin, yung Shell daw, wala nang ano, wala nang tawag dyan. Na ano ba? Out of stock na. Wala na. Ano daw si Mr. kasi kanang kahapon nung sinundo niya ako galing sa work ay ano pa yun, half tank pa yun siya kasi nung nagpa full tank siya tapos nabiyahe siya papunta ng Wales nung pinuntahan niya yung anak niya Wales kasi yun, so yan mga ano din malaki-laki din yung nagamit niya nung na gasolina. Kaya ngayon, hapon, half na lang siya. And then, yun, mag-ano daw siya ngayon, maghanap daw siya kung saan yung may available. Yan kasi yung sasakyan na yan, although meron naman maraming mga klase-klase na mga gasolinahan dito, pero yung sasakyan niya mga kachikay, namimili din yan ng gasolina. So, nagpapagasolina talaga yan siya palagi sa Shell. So, yung Shell din, yun daw yung wala nang run out of na daw mga gasolina yung Shell. So, di ko alam kung saan siya magpunta. Minsan gumagamit siya ng Esso, ganun. Pero marami naman mga Sainsbury's. Basta marami din mas mura mga kachika compare sa Shell. Maraming mga para mga 10p difference ng ng price nila. Kaso nga lang kay yun nga siya yung sasakyan naman palaging inaayos pag mumurahin na gasolina yung ginagamit niya. Magbabayad din pala ako. Bago control, magbayad din pala ako ng lunch ni Alina hanggang Thursday. Si Alina kasi may bayad na yung lunch niya, school dinner niya sa school. Si Alisa free pa. Hanggang siya, year 2, year 3, year 4, na siya, bayad na. Nakaalis na pala si Mr. mga kachika kaya wala na yung sasakyan niya dyan.